They're definitely having a lot more fun in the snow there in those videos because it doesn't look like it's as cold as it's been here. Tough to get out there, but it was so pretty yesterday, hard not to. We got some more snow coming down. You can see it here. This is at the station in Johnson. We can see the snow coming down. This is one of those bands that's pushing through. The rest of the area is seeing a flurry or two, but there's some bands coming in. I'll show you those in a second that are giving us this burst of some steadier snow. And this is about as heavy as it's getting for us, so it's not too bad. But with this, and it's quick, you could get, again, a dusting at best. We're not worried about a lot of accumulating snow. This is a quick moving storm system, but the energy is coming through nonetheless, and there's enough of moisture that it's giving us another little round of some snow, nowhere near what we saw yesterday, and certainly not lingering as long as what we saw yesterday. All right, you saw the radar there showing that we've got, it looks like a little bit more substantial snow widespread, but it's not the case. When we look at the radar here, switching it, we can see where the snow is actually coming down a little bit. Again, we've got some light snow in northwest Arkansas, continuing to build here a little bit as it's passing right over top of us. This right here that you're seeing in Benton County, Bentonville, Pea Ridge, Bella Vista, this is very light. You're talking about some very light snow flurries. When we get a little bit further south, this is the band that I just showed you in the tower cam there, giving us that snow. So you can see the darker greens giving you a little steady burst of some snow, but outside of that, it's mostly very light snow in the mountains, exiting Washington County into Madison County, some flurries in the Huntsville area. You got a little steadier snow that's going to try to pick up in the next 15 minutes or so. And then we've got a band developing back towards the River Valley, I-40 here, Sallisaw over to Fort Smith. Little quick burst here, some steady snow, trying to give you a little fresh coating. But again, it's very fast. At most, these areas here can't roll out a dusting, but not everybody's even going to see these steady bands pushing through. Best chances for that is first half of the day. We're going to get that snow chance out of here. Missouri, northeast Oklahoma, maybe lingering with a flurry chance through the day. Another little piece of energy to the north. Outside of that, again, I think our best chance for a flurry really is through the first half of the day. We're going to try to mix in some sunshine today. Highs are going to get into the low to mid-teens, northwest Arkansas, upper teens, low 20s, and then by the evening, again, here we go. We're falling. That cold air still in place, and now you've got that snowpack too. That helps make it a little bit colder. If you're just waking up, we've been as cold as -6 in spots of Benton County. Overall, northwest Arkansas ranging from -2 to 1 degree. River Valley, we're looking at temperatures ranging from 3 degrees in Sallisaw, 5 in Poteau to 6 in Fort Smith. Warmest spots coming in around 7 for Clarksville over to Waldron. You factor in a breeze out there this morning. You got sub-zero temperatures showing up here. Wind chills, -6 Sallisaw, -4 Fort Smith, -6 Waldron, -16 in Bentonville, -9 in Fayetteville. Looking at that wind chill forecast, this is really what's been the most brutal the last few days. It does improve some, but still dangerous here where we could see frostbite in 30 minutes or maybe even a little less, especially this morning. By lunchtime, wind chills 0 to -2 northwest Arkansas, single digits in the River Valley. We're looking at wind chills trying to improve this afternoon with the north breeze 5 to 15 miles per hour. We're looking at wind chills getting around 0 to about -15, or excuse me, 15 degrees. It's cold out there. Here's a look at your northwest Arkansas 7-day forecast. Again, we're trying to warm up here the next few days. Sunshine Tuesday and Wednesday. Now, again, got to remind you, once we start mixing in the sun and the snow starts melting, up to now we haven't dealt with any ice. It's just been the snow. Now we'll have to start thinking about some of that refreezing and that moisture out there, giving us maybe a little bit more of the ice patches that we haven't really seen just yet.
Right.
But as we've seen, snow can certainly still be slippery enough.
Definitely.